Hello girls and gays, of course. Lexi Luxury here. How the hell are you? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. You've asked for a hair tutorial and I'm bringing it to you, so here we are. Honestly, this is incredibly easy. You know the drill. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? If you like my vibe already, go ahead and smash the like button because it helps my videos out so much. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Hello girls. Okay, let's go over the products that we need and then let's hop into the tutorial. First and foremost, you're gonna need a 1-inch barrel wand. This is the Wavy Talk. You guys have seen me use it with this attachment before. I absolutely love this. I got that whole Wavy Talk in a set. There's a bunch of other attachments as well that come with it, so I will link the exact one down below. You're probably gonna want some hair clips to section off the hair, a hairbrush of your choice. Heat protectant. I've been using this one by Lexi. It smells so good. And then this is not necessary at all, but I feel like when I use a lot of hot tools, my hair smells like it's been burned. You know what I mean? Like, you know that straightener smell, that curling iron smell? It's just not it, okay? I like to smell good. You guys know that. So I've been using the Jizu Honey Infused Hair Perfume. This is the floral edition. And then I am going to be using Velcro rollers. Guys, these are so inexpensive. If you don't have any rollers, I highly recommend purchasing these. They're off Amazon. I believe they come with Prime, and they're less than $10 last time I checked. Let's see, what else do we need to know before we dive in? Oh, disclaimer. If you're new here, hi. This is a unit. This is a wig by Hair Vivi. This is the Juniper unit. She did come with a few layers, but you know I love to Edward Scissorhands my shit, so I chopped so many layers into this hair. Yeah, okay, enough babbling. Let's get into the freaking voiceover so we can zoom through this tutorial.
Okay, we all know the drill here. We have to start with the heat protectant. This is step number 1. Do not skip this step. Next thing we're gonna do is start with your top layer. So whatever your shortest layer is at the top, we wanna grab that chunk and then we're curling under with our barrel wand. I didn't speed up this portion or cut it because I wanted you to see how long I leave it on there. It's really not that long. I do have my Wavy Talk all the way up, so you know, use your better judgment, but I'm going in with this green Velcro roller. This is like the second largest one, and I like to do this for my top layers just to give it that little extra volume, and then I go in with the pink ones once we get a little bit further down the head, but the top 2 layers get the green. Capiche? Capiche. I'm gonna run this back one more time for you because we are quite literally doing the same technique around our entire head. Every single chunk of hair is going to get the same exact treatment. So we're doing the green roller once again for the second layer, putting the base of the roller at the top of the hair, so at the root, like as high as you can get it. This is just going to help with volume. And then once again, I'm just going with that bottom chunk on the left hand side of my head. I couldn't figure out what direction that was for a second. And then grabbing my biggest roller, which happens to be the pink one, in my little stack here and rolling under. And like I said, this is quite literally what we're doing everywhere else. So I'm going to shut up now and let you watch the video, and we're going to finish these rollers. Now that we've gotten the rollers and the majority of our hair, we are going to move on to the bangs. I just like to leave these rollers as long as possible. I honestly don't leave them too long. You can go about your day, do whatever you need to do some chores around the house, go scroll Pinterest. I don't know what it is you do, girl, but I'm taking out these top 2 layers because they have been sitting the longest, and I do like to use the green rollers for my bangs, but that's just a personal preference. I don't have any more rollers in the pink or the green, so I just had to take those out in order to use them for my bangs here. I know everyone likes to do their bangs differently. I personally like some volume. I like a little swoop out to the side, so I like to curl under. So we're just doing, once again, the same exact thing, but for the bangs. And then if you notice, I still have my like face framing side pieces out. So once again, taking one of the green rollers out of the top layers and then just applying it to the side pieces. Now it's the best part. Now we do the final reveal. I'm starting with honestly just whatever. There's no rhyme or reason here. If the pieces are cooled off, then I'm going to pull them out. That's just kind of how that goes. I know people like to leave their rollers in for a little bit longer, but I like a quick fix, okay? And honestly, when I looked at the timestamp on my camera while I was filming this, it only took me 20 minutes to do my entire head, which for me, I love that because this style will last in my hair, especially since this is a wig and I don't install my units. I get to pop this off at the end of the night, put it on a wig wig head. This style is gonna last in my hair for quite some time. Anyways, while I was babbling, I just took my fingers and separated the hair, just like how you saw, and that's what gives me that volume. It separates all my layers, it gets the curls back to where they need to be. Now we've taken out the bangs, they look stunning. I just kind of maneuver them with my hands, just kind of finesse with a little comb a little bit here and there, and that is quite literally how I do this hair. There's nothing else to it. Like I said, it's so easy, it's fun, it's messy. I feel like this is such a vibe for spring and summer, and I feel like it just adds to my outfits. Like, it gives me just a little bit more personality. But anyways, yeah, that is that. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I'm gonna leave you here for the outro.
She's fun, right? I know she looks messy, she looks crazy. Like, it honestly kind of looks like your hair is like naturally wavy, naturally curly. If anybody's blessed with this natural hair texture, I'm obsessed with you, and you're probably God's favorite. Other than that, babes, everything will be linked in the description box down below. Oh, I almost forgot. Oh my God, that smells so good. Okay, now we're finished. I love her. She is the moment. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. I have to skedaddle because I also have to film my podcast immediately after this. I love you guys so, so much. Before you leave, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and if you liked this video, give it a big ass thumbs up, and I will see you next Friday. Bye.